The PlayStation 5 is an incredible piece of engineering, but the out-of-the-box experience is really just the starting point. To truly unlock what this generation of gaming is capable of, you need to curate the ecosystem around it. Whether you're looking to maximize your display size, solve the constant storage struggle, or take your games into another room entirely, the right accessories aren't just add-ons, they are essential upgrades. The PlayStation 5 Digital Edition represents the pinnacle of Sony's move toward a streamlined, all-digital future. By removing the physical disc drive, this model achieves a sleeker, symmetrical aesthetic that fits perfectly into modern, minimalist entertainment centers. It is designed specifically for the gamer who prefers the convenience of an instant-access digital library, eliminating the need for physical storage while providing the exact same high-speed SSD performance and processing power found in the standard model. For those who value physical media and the ability to play 4K UHD Blu-rays, the PlayStation 5 standard disc console remains the essential centerpiece of a high-end home theater. This version offers the flexibility to browse used game markets, share discs with friends, and enjoy the highest possible bitrate for movies. The integrated drive is whisper quiet during gameplay, ensuring that your physical collection is preserved as a functional part of your gaming experience without sacrificing any of the console's next-gen capabilities. The PlayStation 5 disc drive is a revolutionary modular accessory designed for the latest slim models, offering a path for digital edition owners to upgrade their hardware after purchase. This detachable component snaps into place with a tool-free installation process, instantly granting the console the ability to read game discs and Blu-rays. It is the perfect solution for gamers who initially chose the digital route, but later decided to invest in a physical collection or found a rare disc-based bargain they couldn't pass up. At the heart of the user experience is the DualSense wireless controller, a peripheral that redefined tactile immersion through its use of haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. These features allow you to feel the distinct tension of a bowstring or the kickback of a weapon, translated through sophisticated dual actuators. With its integrated microphone, motion sensors, and a design that prioritizes ergonomic comfort over long sessions, it remains one of the most technologically advanced inputs in the history of the medium. The PlayStation Portal remote player serves as the ultimate lifestyle bridge, allowing you to take your PS5 experience away from the main television without losing the premium feel of the console. By combining a vibrant 8-inch LCD screen with the full feature set of a DualSense controller, it provides a seamless handheld experience over your home Wi-Fi network. It is purpose-built for low-latency streaming, ensuring that you can maintain your progress in demanding titles while relaxing in a different room or when the living room TV is being used by someone else. To elevate the visual scale of your setup, the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max projector offers a cinematic alternative to traditional flat screens, capable of throwing a massive 4K image onto any wall. Utilizing Dual Light 2.0 technology, it achieves a level of color accuracy and peak brightness that ensures your games look stunning, even in rooms with moderate ambient light. Its intelligent automated setup features, including auto keystone and obstacle avoidance, mean you spend less time calibrating and more time immersed in an IMAX-enhanced gaming environment. Managing a growing library is made effortless with the WD Black 5 TB P10 game drive, a high-capacity external storage solution built to withstand the rigors of a heavy gaming lifestyle. This rugged portable drive provides enough space to store over 100 titles, serving as the perfect vault for your PS4 library or as a cold storage unit for massive PS5 games. Its high-speed interface ensures that moving games back and forth is a quick process, effectively ending the frustration of having to delete and re-download your favorite experiences. Every one of these pieces serves a specific purpose in making your PS5 more versatile, more immersive, and more convenient. You can find the links to all of this gear in the description below to start building your own ultimate setup.